Hey everybody, quick episode of TJ's Garage. Today we have a Hustler 54-inch zero turn. I had to replace all the transmission mounts, motor mounts. There is an issue with these. It's the second time I've done this. The first time I had to weld the mount back together, but the guy was able to find an entire kit on Amazon. So it's got to be a common problem. This is basically all the mounts for the transmissions, which is left and right side, front and back. You're going to have this plate, the plate down here, and the plate back here. You're going to replace. It's going to come with all the bolts. It looks pretty scary because you're going to get a bag of bolts, and the directions are a little sketchy because the picture's in black and white and it's small, but it's very simple. The only thing you might have a problem with is, as long as you got thin fingers, you're fine. And then you're going to have to drill one hole through the frame right here on this top plate on each side. Okay, so that's the only drilling you're going to do. Everything else is pretty much what you would call plug and play. Bolts are self-explanatory, really. Some are longer, some are shorter. You can tell what they're supposed to go through by the length, the thickness of the metal. As you can see down here, you can tell where it's been welded, but they do crack. This one completely cracked off. This is what it looked like. This is what you got. So it is a common problem. It happens a lot of times, from sliding into culverts, being real rough. The good way to tell if something is wrong with your transmission mounts is look at your wheels back here on your fenders. Make sure they're aligned on the center tread. Make sure both treads are exactly the same, 3 from the outside to the inside. As long as they're centered on the same tread, you should be fine. If anything is crooked or bowed out and they're running on the wrong tread, you definitely have a problem with your transmission. Or a lot of times people will say, well, my left isn't turning as fast as my right. That's because one of the mounts is broken off and the belt is lagging on one side. So before you go trying to sell your zero turn thinking you have a problem with your transmission, check the motor mounts first, because a lot of times a broken mount will give you the same symptoms of a bad transmission on the left or right side. So again, it's a Hustler 54-inch complete overhaul of all the motor mounts and transmission mounts, and that should do it. Thanks.